Hi everyone, and I'm going to tell you about this Range Rover Evoque 2014. It's for sale, and let's see. Alright, let's get in the car. Woo! Sorry, it's quite big. You have some rooms and you can not subtly set, and you have your space to press the things, and it's a Land Rover, low battery, holy macaroni. Right, and this is quite a reveal, but we have a lot of Range Rovers here. We have a lot. The back seat, I don't know what wheels are these, but they're quite ugly. So the boss won't get into my car. But we have another one. It's this Jaguar. It's quite busy road today. It's not the wiping mirror like this. Such issues these days. Right, guys? Alright, guys, we have a lot of Jaguars, some Discoveries, and some more Evokes. This one's like a I don't know what kind of. It's an Evoque. I like the blue one. I like blue. Quite nice. They're all locked, and I'm gonna tell you guys which key looks pretty nice. Which one is my favourite? Yeah.